For generations, humanity has searched the cosmos for signs that we are not alone. At first, that search focused on our own solar system. Then it expanded to distant stars, where thousands of exoplanets have been discovered orbiting suns unlike our own. With every new world identified, one question continues to inspire scientists and dreamers alike. Could one of these planets be home to intelligent life? Among the most fascinating targets is Proxima Centauri b, a rocky planet orbiting the nearest star to our solar system. Located just over 4 light-years away, it exists within a region where temperatures might allow liquid water under the right conditions, making it one of the most discussed exoplanets ever discovered. Yet despite its proximity, Proxima b remains incredibly difficult to study. Even the world's most advanced telescopes cannot directly photograph its surface in fine detail. Instead, astronomers rely on tiny changes in light, planetary motion, and sophisticated computer models to learn about this distant world. This is where imagination often races ahead of evidence. One exciting idea proposed by scientists is that future telescopes might someday detect technosignatures, observable signs of advanced technology rather than biology alone. Instead of searching only for oxygen, methane, or water vapor, researchers have begun asking whether distant civilizations could unintentionally reveal themselves through artificial illumination, industrial pollution, powerful radio transmissions, or other technological activity. Among these possibilities, one concept captures the imagination more than almost any other. Could an advanced telescope one day detect city lights on another planet? For now, the answer is no. Current technology, including the James Webb Space Telescope, is not capable of seeing individual cities or artificial lights on the surface of Proxima b. But scientists continue exploring whether future observatories, combined with new imaging techniques, might eventually make such observations possible. If that day ever arrives, it would transform astronomy forever. Instead of simply asking whether life exists elsewhere, humanity could begin investigating whether intelligent civilizations have altered their worlds in detectable ways. At the center of today's search stands one remarkable observatory: the James Webb Space Telescope. Positioned nearly 1.5 million kilometers from Earth, Webb observes the universe primarily in infrared light, allowing it to see through clouds of cosmic dust and detect incredibly faint signals from distant objects. Its scientific achievements have already rewritten astronomy. Webb has studied the atmospheres of exoplanets, revealing molecules such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane. It has photographed galaxies formed only a few 100 million years after the Big Bang and uncovered stellar nurseries hidden inside vast clouds of gas. Although Webb cannot confirm alien civilizations, it provides essential clues about whether distant planets possess environments capable of supporting life. Every spectrum collected adds another piece to an enormous cosmic puzzle. Each observation helps researchers understand how planets form, how atmospheres evolve, and which worlds deserve closer investigation in the future. Perhaps the greatest discovery will not arrive as a dramatic announcement overnight. Instead, it may emerge slowly, built from thousands of careful observations collected over many years. Because history has shown that science often advances one small clue at a time. And somewhere among the countless planets orbiting distant stars, the evidence humanity has been searching for may already be waiting to be discovered. As telescopes become more powerful, the search for life beyond Earth is entering a new era. For decades, astronomers concentrated on finding planets that might support life. Today, the goal has become even more ambitious. Researchers are developing ways to search not only for biosignatures, chemical hints that living organisms may exist, but also for technosignatures, evidence that could suggest advanced technology on another world. These signatures could take many forms. Unusual atmospheric chemicals produced by industry. Powerful radio transmissions. artificial satellites surrounding distant planets. Or perhaps, in the far future, faint patterns of illumination unlike anything created by nature. None of these have been detected on Proxima Centauri b or any other exoplanet. But scientists continue exploring how future observatories might recognize such evidence if it exists. The James Webb Space Telescope is an important step toward that future. Although Webb cannot photograph cities or identify intelligent civilizations, its extraordinary infrared instruments allow astronomers to examine distant planetary atmospheres with remarkable precision. Every observation helps narrow the search, revealing which worlds deserve even closer study with the next generation of telescopes. Future missions may push those limits even further. Proposed observatories equipped with larger mirrors, advanced coronagraphs, and powerful starshade technology could one day separate the faint light of an Earth-sized planet from the overwhelming brightness of its parent star. That achievement alone would transform planetary science. Instead of studying distant worlds as tiny points of light, astronomers could begin analyzing them in unprecedented detail, searching for oceans, continents, seasonal changes, weather systems, and perhaps signs of technological activity. If evidence of an advanced civilization were ever discovered, its significance would extend far beyond astronomy. It would reshape philosophy, biology, history, and humanity's understanding of its place in the universe. For thousands of years, people have wondered whether intelligence emerged only once or whether the cosmos is filled with civilizations following their own unique paths. A confirmed discovery would not answer every question. In many ways, it would create even more. How old would such a civilization be? How did it survive the challenges of technological development? Would it resemble anything humanity has imagined? Or would it be completely unlike anything found on Earth? These questions remind us why science proceeds carefully. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. Every observation must be tested, repeated, and independently verified before becoming accepted knowledge. That careful process is one of science's greatest strengths. It transforms curiosity into understanding. The James Webb Space Telescope has already changed the way we explore the universe. It has revealed galaxies from the earliest chapters of cosmic history, uncovered hidden regions where stars are born, and provided unprecedented views of distant planetary atmospheres. Its discoveries continue to inspire scientists to ask bigger questions than ever before. Perhaps one day, a future observatory will detect the first unmistakable techno-signature from another world. Perhaps it will reveal that intelligent life has emerged more than once in our galaxy. Or perhaps the search itself will teach us something even more valuable about the rarity and uniqueness of life on Earth. Whatever the answer may be, humanity has only begun its journey. Every new telescope extends our vision. Every new mission expands our understanding. And every distant world reminds us that the universe is far larger, more complex, and more mysterious than we once believed. Somewhere beyond the stars, countless planets continue orbiting in silence. Whether they are lifeless, inhabited by simple organisms, or home to civilizations we have yet to imagine remains one of the greatest unanswered questions in science. Until the evidence arrives, the search continues. And that search may become one of humanity's greatest adventures.